Hi, everyone. So this video is to address a question that came up about Canvas and specifically the homepage, about that first page when the kids log in. Is there a way to change it? And more importantly, is there a way to just put announcements just right up in their face, up top on the page, right up here? And the answer, of course, is yes. Otherwise, we wouldn't be making this video. So I'm going to walk you through both those steps. So what I'm in right now is a course I just made up. I'm going to call it my mock course. This is brand new. There is absolutely nothing in it. And you'll notice the minute I opened it up, it took me to the home page, which is by default set to the modules page. This is where you put all your units or modules for a course. We're going to change that. All right, so first, we're going to go over to the right-hand side. And the third option down says choose homepage. We're going to select that. And you get some of these pre-made possibilities. Course activity stream, which puts up like if you post a new assignment or you change something or a quiz has been graded, it puts in the activity stream. Pages front page, which is actually what we want, but it's grayed out. It's not available as an option right now, and we'll talk about that. As we said, the default is to set it to course modules where all your units are kept. You can set it to your assignments list or the syllabus. Okay, but we're going to do pages front page. And it says here in the bottom, down next to the asterisk, front page must be set first. So we're going to click on that. Now, where that's going to take us to is the pages category of Canvas. So on the left, you can see we've gone into pages. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add a new page. And this is just where you'd add any page. Maybe you need a page to house a video. Maybe you need a page to show a particular problem or project. So I'm just making a page as I normally would. I'm going to call it custom homepage. And let's say I've got a nice little graphic, some kind of class banner I want to put at the top. Maybe I want to put in a description of the class, and then maybe I put some expectations, whatever you want to go on that front page. Oops. There we go. And we're going to save. Now, when you're down here, save and publish. You have to publish it because otherwise we won't be able to do this next step. All right, good. So that's what my page looks like. Yours will obviously look nicer than mine. Now, up here on the right, the three dots, click on that. You get this drop-down menu, third option down, use as front page. And you'll notice up here that change says front page. Now, let's go back home. Left-hand side, click back to home. And we're not going to see that page yet. We're still going to be on that modules page. But now we can go back to the right-hand side, choose homepage. And notice this option is no longer grayed out. Pages front page. And notice also here in blue, this is where you would change it. Let's say you don't like your homepage anymore and you want to create a new one. Well, then you can either modify the one you've got or you can just change it to a brand new one. But this is where you would do that. All right, anyway, so I'm going to click that. Pages front page. Save. And so now, as it takes me back to the homepage looks different. It's got the title of the course, my class banner, description, expectations, whatever you want to put here as a customized homepage. Now, the second question, though, is for this course, maybe there are announcements that you want the kids to see first thing right as they walk in. It's just they cannot miss it. They open the course, boom, there it is. All right, now this one's a little more hidden. And for this, I think I'll just move this out of the way here. On the left-hand side, if you scroll all the way down, you need to go to settings at the very bottom. And this is really kind of hidden. And then in settings, if you haven't already changed this, it should take you to the course details tab. Scroll down to the bottom of that. And really subtly right here, more options. Now, if you look at those options, the second one down says show recent announcements on course homepage. Click that box. And then this gets lit up. It's no longer grayed out. Number of announcements shown on the homepage. So, think about how many announcements you make on a particular day and just to set it accordingly. Maybe you want the last 5 announcements to show up. All right, and then down at the bottom, update course details. Okay, now, like I said, this is a brand new course, so you're not going to see anything, but you'll notice when I go back to the homepage, there's a new section at the top that says recent announcements. Okay, so normally if there were announcements, there would be recent. If I go to put an announcement right now, it would show up right underneath here above everything else. Okay. And so from now on, when kids log into this course, the very first thing they're going to see at the top up front in their face is announcements. And then right below that is your course description and homepage and expectations and whatever. All right. Okay, so I hope that helps a little bit as far as creating your own homepage that's customized. If some of these other options are something you have a question about, please contact me, the course activity stream, course modules, or just play around with it. There's nothing preventing you from changing this back and forth just to see what it looks like and kind of see what you're getting into. All right. All right, I hope that helps, and good luck with Canvas.